I had to get in the truck because it's raining and cold out there. I'm leaving Alamo Liquor Store, and if you've been following my channel, you know that I pick up something in every store that I go into, and guess what? Today is not the exception. Welcome back to a little old fashioned. As you can see, it's raining outside, and we still have a lot of ice. I mean, a lot of ice here, but I'm back. I'm back at Alamo Liquor Store. And it looks like I'm here at the great time because it's truck outside. So let's go back in. Let's go back in. Let's see if we can find some good bottles, you know, at some great prices. Let's go. Usually I go over the regular shelf, but they are going to let me go back in the back behind the counter. And I'm excited because I see some bottles that you might be looking for. So they're going to give me access, and I'm going to take you with me. Let's go. We have a Larceny C924. We have a sweet bourbon, 110 proof. I don't think I've seen this one. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this one. We have a Woodford Reserve, 119 proof, a Knob Creek 21. I heard a lot of people talk about this one. They say it's pretty good. I don't know. I really can't afford it, but let me know in the comments below what you think about it. We have a Knob Creek 18 right next door to it. A Booker's 2024, 2025, and this one is going to be a 2025 also. We have a Dickel, age 18. And we have a Master's Keep. Let's see if we can open this box up. Oh, it's a box inside there. Let me see. Here we go. There we go. Age 10 years. I haven't tried that one yet. Eventually I will. Angel's Envy, Game Time, a Blanton's Gold, and a Winkle 10-year. I actually got a chance to taste that particular bottle, and I'm glad I tasted before I bought one because it's not really worth the price in my opinion. We have an Elmer T. Lee, a E.H. Taylor Small Batch, Eagle Rare 10-year in the back, a Weller Full Proof, Special Reserve, and a Stag 24C, a Willet Purple Top, and we have a Found North 15-year, and we have a Jack Daniel's Sinatra. So this is what they have behind the counter here at Alamo Liquor Store. If you see something that you want, hey, they got it here. They got it here. And let me know what you think about the Van Winkle. I always want to know people's opinions about that one. And this one too, the Triumph. Now, I don't know anything about these. Not too many people talk about these. So Dancing Panda. I need to look the Dancing Panda up. 10-year, 94, 8-year, 67, 4-year, 46. Pretty cool bottle though. We have Green River and Old Granddad 114. Behind me, we have the mixers. Next to the mixers, we have a Larceny, and we have Uncle Nearest. Penelope, you know, if you've been following my channel, this Penelope Toasted is one of my favorite, if not the favorite in the Penelope series. I think it's a very good bottle. It's 100 proof, so it starts right there where I love my bourbon. And it's sweet. It has a little bit of caramel, well-balanced bottle. I think you will like it. A little char too. Hey, it's not a lot, just a little bit to make it balanced. Let me know in the comments below which Penelope is your favorite. Architect, Barrel Strength. And these two right here, the Rosé and the Wheated, are not my favorite. The Rosé has a floral smell and taste to it, which I did not enjoy. And the Wheated, it really did not drink at 95 proof. It really drunk probably like an 85 proof. And It was very underwhelming in my opinion. That's just my opinion. High West. And next to the High West, we have a Kentucky Owl. Let's move on down past the Jack Daniels. We have a Jack Daniels Bonded, Triple Mash, and we have the Jack Daniels Heritage, 100 proof, $84. A lot of people are looking for this one. Buffalo Trace, Elijah Craig. We have Elijah Craig Toasted Barrel for $63. And we have a Barrel Proof A125, $83. Whistle Pig, Chattanooga Whiskey. And next to that, we have Four Roses, the OBSF and OESK. Next to the Four Roses, we have Wild Turkey Long Branch and Russell Reserve 10-year, very good bottle. Very good bottle, especially for the price. The Russell Reserve Single Barrel and the Burberry Wild Turkey Rye. This one right here, I don't know which one is my favorite. I know that I like this bottle, but this one right here in the Old Fashioned is very, very good. I did not think it was going to be that great. It's 112 proof. Let me know which Wild Turkey rare breed is your favorite. I know it's a rye, I know it's a bourbon, but I'm just saying for the taste. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. Below the Wild Turkey, we have some Rabbit Hole, some Middle West, and we have some Fireball. Anybody drink Fireball out there? Hard Truth. And we have some First West. This First West. Don't know anything about it, but I'm starting to see more First West. Extra aged, $71. 100 proof, 98 proof, toasted oak, and the small batch is going to be 102 proof. We have the Bardstown. And next to the Bardstown, we have Old Dominic. But look below, we have Blue Note. The Juke Joint, $39. The Crossroad, $45. And one of my favorite bottles to make an old fashioned with is the Blue Note Honey Rye Cask. This one right here, very good bottle. It's on the sweeter side because it's a honey cask rye, and it makes it very good old fashioned. I don't know anything about the Sweetens Cove though. I don't. Let me know in the comments below if you tried Sweetens Cove. The Blackened. 90 proof. Oh, okay, it's not the cash trim. I thought it might be the cash trim. I finna say if it was, make sure it was gonna be a steal. Nah, it's not the cash trim. I remember finding the cash trim in Las Vegas for $60-something. It was crazy. Oak and Eden and Riverset. Now this Huling Station for $41. I don't have a bottle because I drunk it all, but this one right here is a Cherry Bomb. It's a very good bottle. Very good bottle. If you're looking to try something different, pick this one up. If you like cherries, definitely pick one up. This is going to be 100 proof. Very good from Memphis, Tennessee. Going to the front, we have Widow Jane, Frank August, and we have Heaven Hill Grain to Glass. Now, I don't know too much about the limited edition. I don't know if it tastes a little bit better than the regular Heaven Hill Grain to Glass, but if it does, I'm definitely going to get the rye, because that rye Heaven Hill Grain to Glass makes a great old fashioned. But let me know what you think about it. We have the Heaven Hill Bottled and Bun, and we have the 4-year-old Willits for $61. Now, let me know what you think about the 4-year-old Willie. I think it should be at least 5 or 6 years. I think it needs a little bit more time in the barrel, but that's just my opinion. It was drinking a little bit young, in my opinion. Lucky 7, and we have Widow Jane, and below that, now this 10-year, I'm always intrigued by this one. 121, I think, proof, single barrel. Yeah, I'm always looking for this one in my price range. So let me know in the comments below if you have tried that one and what you think about it. Hooten Young and Brothers Bond. But on the next shelf, Jacob's Pardon. We have some 1792 4 proof, bottled and bond, single barrel, and a small batch. This Bound North, single barrel and cask strength. I've seen these bottles a lot. I don't know too many people who talk about these two. So let me know in the comments below if you have tried them and which one would you purchase first. This is the 12-year-old bottle. The color doesn't look like a 12-year-old, but hey, what do I know? I haven't tried it. We have more barrel, and below that we have Holiday and Henry McKenna. Bibb and Tucker, and we have Jefferson's down below that. And I just walked by this cabinet here and did not want to miss it. Hopefully you can see it without the glare, but they have a Buckner's single barrel aged 15 year back there. I've heard that that is a very good bottle, 103.9 proof. Rare Hair, 7 year. We have a 15 year. We have a Hancock right there. And we have Joseph Magnus, Mary Hill Club. That Joseph Magnus cigar blend is probably the best cigar blend out there, in my opinion. But I did not want to skip this shelf over here. We have a Stellum. So if you come here, just don't walk past it, because I almost did. I'm leaving Alamo Liquor Store here in Alamo, Tennessee. And if you've been following my channel, you know that I pick up something in every store that I go into. And guess what? Today is not the exception. I'm excited about this one. I am, because I like the bottle and I haven't really heard anybody talk about this one. It's going to be the Dancing Panda, aged 10 year. I skipped over the 4 year and the 8 year because I just wanted to go straight to the top. So this one right here. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried it and what you think about it. Man, it is raining and cold out here. But for those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button, because I'm asking for your support. But for those who have already subscribed, you know I appreciate your support. Until then, I will see you on my next hunt. Let's go.